children, today we are going to discuss polynomial of class 9th CBSE. Myself Shivani Agrawal. Before reaching the main point polynomials, we want to discuss some terms which will relate polynomials like constant, variables, algebraic expression, terms of algebraic expression. You already have studied those terms, but still we have to revise all those terms before studying polynomials. So, first of all, what is constant? Symbols have fixed numerical values is called a constant, like all the numbers 2, 3, 4, -5, these are constant. Polynomials से में हम लोग इन सब टर्म्स का इसलिए ये सब कुछ स्टडी करना पड़ता है क्योंकि ये सब चीज़ मिलके पॉलिनोमियल कंसिस्ट करते हैं. So second term is variable. Variable, as name suggested, its meaning variable which vary from equation to equation. A symbol having different numerical value like x, y. If we frame an equation that is x plus 2 is equals to 0, so in this equation we'll get x equals to -2. Suppose we are having 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. In this equation, when we'll solve it, then x will be -3/2. So as you can see that the value of a variable varies from equation to equation. Fine. Next is algebraic expression. What is expression? So algebraic expression is a combination of constant, variable and all the mathematical operations. Like suppose we take example 4x plus 2. So you in this expression you can see 4 is a constant, x is a variable and this is a mathematical operation. So these four terms make an algebraic expression. You can see many more examples of algebraic expression. Next is terms of algebraic expression. Terms कैसे create होती हैं? So when an algebraic expression splits with minus and a plus sign, then terms create. So terms created, an expression separated by these plus and minus signs, specifically these two signs only. There will not be any role of multiplication and division and splitting of those algebraic expression. Like 4y square minus y plus 3/2. So if we count the number of terms in this algebraic expression, so we'll count 1, 2 and 3. Minus and plus. These two signs are splitting this expression. Fine. So now ये जो 4 things हैं, these 4 things are going to create a polynomial. So what is a polynomial? An expression, suppose px is equals to is of the form a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dash 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 an minus 1 x raised to the power n minus 1 plus an x raised to the power n is called a polynomial where a0, a1, a2 dash 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 an are real numbers and they are also the coefficient of x, x square plus dash dash dash, and the power of x is non-negative integer. Mark these words, is a non-negative integer means the power of x should not be negative and it also not be equals to a fraction. So for examples like px is equals to 8x square minus 4x plus 10. This is a polynomial, constant, variable, mathematical operation and following this rule. Fine. So if we discuss about the degree of this polynomial, so degree of this polynomial is 2. And what is degree? First of all, degree is the highest power of the given polynomial. So the degree of this polynomial is 2. Another example, root 2x cube plus 3x minus 2/3. As you can see, root 2, 3 minus 2/3 are the real numbers taking place of a0, a1, a2 and x cube, x, as you can see the power of x is positive. Fine. So this is also a polynomial and the degree of this polynomial is 3. Next is, suppose another example we take in the form of y. We change the variable y cube plus 3y square minus 5 plus 21. So its degree be 3. And these are also the polynomial. It is not necessary that the polynomial must contain variable. 2, -8, numbers, fractions, 6/7 only, pi, 0 are also polynomial. These are called the constant polynomials and 0 is called the zero polynomial. Fine. So later on in the next slide we'll discuss about the classification of the polynomials. Thank you.